Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Or should I say, without breaking your back. Today, we're diving into the steam cleaning showdown of the century. On the left, we have the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop, and on the right, the Kenmore SM2050 2-in-1 Steam Mop. Both priced at a wallet-friendly $89. But which one deserves a place in your cleaning arsenal? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about steam power. The Shark S3501 claims to turn ordinary water into superheated steam in just 30 seconds, which many reviewers appreciate for its quick setup and effectiveness on bamboo floors. Meanwhile, the Kenmore SM2050 boasts the ability to remove 99.9% of dust, making it a great choice for households with kids and pets. Reviewers note its effectiveness in cleaning various surfaces, but also mention that it may not be as efficient in disinfecting due to its single jet design. If you're looking for a quick clean, Shark's got your back, but if you want to sanitize as well, Kenmore's showing up with impressive dust elimination. Moving on to chemicals and residue. Shark claims it's all about that chemical-free life, using just water to tackle grease and grime, and many reviewers echo this sentiment by praising its ability to leave floors looking new without any streaks or residue. Kenmore also promotes a chemical-free clean, and reviewers appreciate that it works across various surfaces without leaving residues. If you're looking for versatility, Kenmore's 2-in-1 feature allows for cleaning multiple surfaces, including toys, while Shark focuses solely on hard floors. Both mops are champions of the chemical-free world, but Kenmore may have the edge if you're looking for more functionality. Speaking of versatility, let's talk about what these bad boys can do. The Shark is designed specifically for all sealed hard floors, and many reviewers love its effectiveness on hardwood and tile. However, the Kenmore SM2050 is like the Swiss Army knife of steam mops. It cleans hard floors, carpets, upholstery, and even has a handheld feature for those cleaning emergencies. Reviewers appreciate the Kenmore for its lightweight and multi-purpose design, although some mention it may not be as effective in every area as advertised. So, if you're a one-surface kind of person, Shark might be your soulmate, but if you've got a multi-surface love affair going on, Kenmore's your match. Now let's talk accessories. The Shark comes with 2 washable microfiber pads, which reviewers find easy to use and effective. However, Kenmore takes the cake with a whole arsenal of accessories, including a bristle tool, an angle tool, a scraper tool, and even a carpet slider. Reviewers rave about the versatility these accessories provide, making it the cleaning equivalent of a Swiss Army knife. If you love a good accessory haul, Kenmore is your bestie, while Shark is great for those who prefer simplicity with just the essentials. In summary, both the Shark S3501 and the Kenmore SM2050 have their strengths. Shark is praised for its quick heating and effectiveness on hard floors, while Kenmore shines with its versatility and range of accessories. However, some users have expressed concerns about the Kenmore's performance in certain areas and customer service issues. Ultimately, the choice depends on your cleaning needs and preferences. So there you have it, folks. Both the Shark S3501 and the Kenmore SM2050 have their strengths, but the choice ultimately comes down to your cleaning style. If you're all about quick, efficient, hard floor cleaning, Shark might be your jam. But if you want versatility and a whole toolkit of cleaning options, Kenmore's the way to go. Remember, whichever you choose, you'll be cleaning with steam and love, without any of those pesky chemicals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.